Over the last decade, agriculture research has become more and more advanced, in large part because of unmanned aerial vehicles, otherwise known as drones. At South Dakota State University, drones have become integrated into a variety of research activities, but have arguably been the most impactful in ag research. Satellites and remote sensing have been used in ag research for quite some time, but the recent incorporation of drones by researchers has propelled the field forward. Now, drones are used to help to develop tools and solutions for the early diagnosis of crop water stress, nutrient deficiency, crop health, and diseases, all major threats to food security and crop yield estimations. This is done by equipping drones with infrared sensors, which allow researchers to collect images or data. The data is then incorporated into artificial intelligence learning models and algorithms, which provide the researchers with key figures and trends. The models are able to create accurate projections of a field's crop health or yield estimation. The goal is to provide farmers with information on things like early crop disease detection, which will help create better crop yields and more efficient harvesting techniques.